Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is makeup in 10 minutes and also it's a no foundation tutorial. So let's get right into the video. I have already started the timer and the timestamp has actually started 11 seconds early. So at the end there might be some discrepancy in the phone timing and the timestamp timing. It'll just be for about 11 seconds. So first I have applied a good primer to my face. I have used the P.A.C primer here, the Zero Pore Separation Cream. I am going to mention all the product details in the description box down below. So make sure you check that out for full product details. And then I'm using a concealer. It's actually a foundation shade from the Derma range of Kryolan Professional Makeup. And this is a shade called D64. I'm using it as a concealer today. These foundations are cream foundations and work really well as concealers because they're thick and creamy and they conceal really well. So I have just applied it under my eyes, along my jawline, around my mouth and a little bit on the forehead. So these are the areas which are dark on my face. So I have just applied it on these areas and I'm just blending it out really well with the help of a foundation brush. And once it's really well blended, I thought that I need a little bit more concealing, so I'm just using a little bit more of the same foundation shade and I'm applying it under my eyes, on the corners of my nose and a little bit along the jawline. And then I'm going to blend it really well again with the foundation brush. Now once it's well blended into the skin, I'm just going to use powder on top of this. I'm not going to use any foundation today. So I'm using the luxury powder from Ben Nye in the shade Banana. You can go and check out the details of products in the description box as I said earlier. And I'm using a big fluffy powder brush to powder my face really well. I tend to become very oily, so I like to really powder my face well so that it stays for the rest of the day. And once I've powdered my face and neck really well, I'm moving on to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Arch Arrival Brow Definer from Sugar Cosmetics in number 1 Jerry Brown. And I'm just going to define my eyebrows. I'm not going to make it very dramatic. I'm going to make it really natural because this is an everyday kind of a makeup look. And also you would have noticed that I have edited this video, I have made cuts in the video, I have fast forwarded certain sections of the video, but that being said, the timestamps are accurate. The timestamps are moving along with the cuts and the fast forwarding. It has not been edited in such a way that the duration becomes less. I have applied the timestamps to the complete video in such a way that it shows accurate time at any point of the video. Next, I'm moving on to defining my eyes. So I'm using a kajal pencil. This is the Kohl from P.A.C Cosmetics and I'm just going to define my upper lash line. This is called tight lining and it's actually the quickest way to give good definition to your lash line without having to worry about making a thin line on top of your lash line. So this is the best way if you want to quickly give some definition to your eyes without spending a lot of time on doing a liner for an everyday kind of a makeup look. And then moving on, I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes really well. I really like my lashes thick and long and black. So I like to apply at least 2 coats of mascara to my lashes. And then I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to just spread out the mascara on the lower lash line so that it looks like I have defined my lower lash line. And then I'm trying to do the same thing on my upper lash line. You can use a thin pencil brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, whatever it is that works for you. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to use a certain kind of brush. Just smudge out a little bit of mascara on the lower and upper lash line to give them a slight definition. And then I just left in a couple of bits to show you guys how much time I actually wasted looking for product. I had it ready, but somehow I just couldn't find them when I needed them. So this would have probably finished much earlier if I had found them at the right time. So anyway, moving on, I am just applying a lip color because that is something that if I don't get to apply, my look will not be complete. So first I'm applying the lip color. This is the Sweet Secret Matte Lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the shade called Muslin Mauve. This is a really good shade for everyday wear, and I really don't feel odd when I have this lipstick on, even if I'm going to a doctor or a grocery store. And since I had a little bit of time left, I decided to blush up my cheeks a little bit. I'm using the Contour the Force palette from Sugar Cosmetics in Vivid Victory. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter onto my cheekbones and my cupid's bow. I'm using the E.L.F liquid highlighter, and I'm just going to use my fingertips to apply it to my cheekbones and my cupid's bow, and I'm also going to blend it with my fingers. And there my makeup is complete. You can actually achieve a full face of everyday makeup in less than 10 minutes if you have your products ready. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.